Here's the question. Inside the brackets, 25 minus 5, bracket close. Divided by, inside the brackets, 2 plus 2 times 6. Let's solve it. Solution. So first, we'll solve the brackets. Inside the brackets here, it's 25. Minus by 25, minus 5 becomes 20 inside the brackets. Divided by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 6. Let's solve this further. This 20 divided by. If we solve this bracket, 2 plus 2 becomes 4 times 6. Now let's solve it further. 20 divided by 4 times 6. Now you'll check from left to right. When checking from left to right, the first priority goes to division. The second priority goes to multiplication. So, let's solve it further. 20 divided by 4 times 6. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Now, if we solve further, 5 times 6 becomes 30. This is the right answer?